Everyone knows Amazon is the largest marketplace in the world, offering countless opportunities for both the company and individuals to generate significant income. One of the most popular ways to make money on Amazon is through product sourcing, typically from suppliers in China. These products are shipped directly to Amazon's warehouses, where they are listed for sale on the platform. The profitability of this model comes from the markup. Sellers purchase items at a lower cost and resell them at a higher price, earning a profit from the difference. While this approach can be highly effective, it requires an upfront investment in inventory, meaning you'll need some initial capital to get started. I'll break down these methods based on two key factors: difficulty level and initial investment required. If you'll find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like. Now let's jump right in. The first method I want to introduce is Amazon Affiliates. Amazon offers an affiliate program that is completely free to join. Setting up an account takes just about 10 minutes. On the product page, you'll find a unique affiliate link assigned to you. Copy this link, and whenever someone clicks on it and makes a purchase, you'll earn a commission. I will give this one a difficulty rating of 3 out of 5. It might be difficult to start, but it can get you a good source of income. The commission rate varies depending on the product category. Books, electronics, and other items each have different percentages. While signing up as an Amazon affiliate is easy, the real challenge lies in getting people to click on your links. There are many ways to promote Amazon affiliate links, but one of the most effective strategies is creating product reviews on YouTube. You can purchase a product, review it, and upload a video to attract viewers who are researching that item before making a purchase. If they find your review helpful, they might click on your affiliate link and complete the purchase, earning you a commission. A lesser known but highly creative way to leverage Amazon affiliates program is by building a custom blog. With ChatGPT, anyone can create a blog tailored for a specific task. For example, you could develop a blog specialized in book summaries. Users would request a summary, and at the end of each one, you could include an Amazon affiliate link for the full book. If the summary sparks their interest, they might click the link to purchase the book, earning you a commission. The biggest challenge with this strategy is attracting users to engage with your blog or consume your content. On screen, you'll see the current Amazon USA commission rates. As you can see, affiliate commissions vary depending on the product category and country. Now, what about investment and difficulty level? Your initial investment would be between $0 and $50. Signing up for Amazon affiliates is free. If you choose to create a blog for promotion, you might need to invest around $50 to set up a website. As a difficulty rating, I will give this a 3 out of 5. The concept is simple, anyone can understand it. The real challenge is creating high quality content that engages users and encourages them to click on your link. This method combines automation, content creation, and affiliate marketing, making it an innovative approach to earning commissions with Amazon. Amazon Handmade. Amazon Handmade is dedicated to selling handcrafted products. In a world where mass production dominates, there is still a strong demand for unique handmade items, and many people are willing to pay a premium for them. Recognizing this demand, Amazon launched Amazon Handmade in 2015, creating a special category that verifies and certifies products as genuinely handmade. These products receive a special authenticity label, which helps attract buyers looking for artisan quality goods. Some of the best-selling handmade products on Amazon include jewelry, clothing, home decor, handmade soaps, and candles. How to sell on Amazon Handmade? First step is, of course, creating your products. You don't need a professional workshop. You can craft them at home, but you need to have some skills in making handmade items. Next, you'll need to sign up for a professional Amazon seller account, which is typically around $39. However, once you create your account, Amazon will review your products, and if it meets their handmade product standard, they will waive the monthly fee. Instead, you'll only pay a 12% commission on each sale. Investment and difficulty level. Your initial investment will be between $50 and $500. This includes the Amazon fee of $39, raw materials, packaging, and other costs. The difficulty rating for this will be around 2.5 out of 5. It depends on the person. Some may find creating handmade products easy, while others, myself included, it can be quite challenging. This method is perfect for artisans and crafters looking to turn their passions into profit. If you have the skill and creativity, Amazon Handmade can be a great way to monetize your craftsmanship. Amazon Merch on Demand follows the print on demand model, allowing you to sell custom-designed products like t-shirts, mugs, and hoodies without holding an inventory. Here's how it works. You upload your custom designs, logos, or quotes to Amazon. This design appears on products in your Amazon store. When a customer makes a purchase, a supplier prints the design onto the item and ships it directly to them. This means you can sell custom-branded products globally without managing inventory and investing in stock. How Amazon Merch on Demand differs from other print-on-demand platforms. Unlike Shopify, Shopify and other print-on-demand platforms, Amazon handles the entire fulfillment process, including printing, shipping, and other customer service. On Shopify, you partner with a supplier, upload your design to their products, and list them in your store. When a customer buys an item for, let's say, $30, you receive the payment first, then pay the supplier and ship the item. While the process is automated, you control the revenue flow. On Amazon Merch on Demand, you don't receive any full payment. Instead, Amazon handles everything and pays you a commission per sale, which can range between 13% and 37% of the selling price. While Amazon's product selection is more limited compared to print-on-demand platforms, it still offers a variety of options for sellers. From the customer's perspective, buying from Amazon Merch on Demand is just like purchasing any other product on Amazon. Once they place an order, the item is printed and shipped as usual. Challenges and success strategies. The biggest challenge in this business is creating designs that people actually want to buy. Fortunately, there are many free designs tools like Canva and AI-powered platforms that can help you generate ideas and create eye-catching designs. To succeed, your design should be visually appealing, marketable, and tailored to trending niches. As for investment and difficulty level. Initial investment. Unlike other business Amazon models, you don't need a seller account to get started. I would rate this a 2.5 out of 5 in difficulty rating. Your success depends on your creativity and design skills. Experience with tools like Canva, Photoshop, or AI-powered design platforms can be helpful, but is not required. Amazon Merch on Demand is a low-risk way to enter the e-commerce space, allowing you to sell custom products worldwide without upfront cost. If you have an eye for design and can create compelling graphics, this can be a profitable passive income stream. Kindle Direct Publishing is Amazon's self-publishing platform, allowing anyone to upload a PDF containing a book and make it available for sale on Amazon. The book must be your own original work. Once published, it will be listed on Amazon, where customers can purchase it either as a Kindle ebook or as a physical print-on-demand book. When a physical book is sold, Amazon prints and ships it directly to the customer, so you don't have to handle inventory, printing, and logistics. Now, how do you earn money with Kindle Direct Publishing? Your earnings depend on the book's price, number of pages, and formal, either digital or printed. The royalty percentage ranges from 35 to 70% for sale. Additionally, you can enroll your book in Kindle Selected, which makes it available through Kindle Unlimited, Amazon's monthly subscription service that provides unlimited access to books similar to Netflix for reading. If your book is part of Kindle Unlimited, you earn money based on the number of pages read by subscribers. This means you can generate passive income even if people don't buy your book outright. Just by having them browse and read through some pages, you'll earn revenue. Writing a full-length book is challenging, but there are alternative methods to make money with Kindle Direct Publishing. There are people that earn more than $1,000 a month. Instead, you can focus on low-content books, such as planners, agendas, coloring books, Sudoku, puzzles, and children's books. Creating this type of content is still a challenge, but tools like AI, templates, and automation can help simplify the process. However, you still need to put in the effort to create high-quality content that people want to buy or read through Kindle Unlimited. Investment and difficulty levels. Your initial investment for this will be $0. Signing up for Kindle Direct Publishing is free, just like Merch on Demand. Many free platforms and design tools are available to help you create a book from scratch. As for difficulty rating for this one, I would give a 4 out of 5, because if you want to write a traditional book, you need strong writing skills and valuable content to share. If you choose to create low-content books, you'll need to learn how to use Canva and other design tools efficiently to create professional-looking books. Kindle Direct Publishing is a great way to make money passively, whether you write full-length books or create low-content books. While writing a traditional book requires more effort, leveraging tools like AI and templates can make the process easier, offering an opportunity to generate income with minimal upfront investment. Amazon secondhand. You may have noticed while browsing on Amazon that some products come with a used or second-hand label. These items are sold by individuals or businesses and might be slightly used, missing packaging or accessories, but they still function perfectly. There are two main ways to approach this business: selling items you already own or buying second-hand products with the goal of reselling them. This method focuses more on the second approach, because selling second-hand products on Amazon requires a seller account. While individuals can sell used items, the platform is better suited for businesses looking to resell products at scale. How to make money with Amazon second-hand? The best way to profit from this strategy is by buying products at auctions or reliquidation sales, and reselling them at a higher price. When customers search for a product, they typically see the new version first. However, second-hand listings appear below the main product listing, under the Other Sellers section. If this option is available, this means that customers are actively looking for second-hand options, and people that buy second-hand usually already know this option exists. To wrap up, I hope this guide has given you valuable insights into different ways to make money with Amazon. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Check out this other video, 12 side hustles to start today, to have some ideas about your next side hustle. And that's it, I'm Kamil Skaski, and I'll see you in the next one.